Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridge-Mohan, President of the Bridge Group of Companies and Mortgage Broker of Mortgage Intelligence. Today's topic is a very sensitive one, and it's one about should you give your child a boost to home ownership? Should you financially help them or not? Whether you are a parent or a grandparent, what are the things that you have to make sure that you do to protect yourself, your family, and of course your children? If you are willing and able to help your children financially, especially in testing times where it's very, very difficult for the millennial generation to afford a mortgage, it could be very, very competitive and very, very, very hard, especially with the new stress test that we just talked about recently in our previous episodes. So if you are really strongly, seriously considering lending or investing in your child or giving them a grant or loan free in terms of helping them for home ownership, here are some things that I could really recommend you to do. First, consider the financial position of you and your spouse or yourself. Is it something that you can afford? Is it in your best interest? Is it going to put you in a tighter position financially, or do you have ample space in terms of funding that's available for you to invest in your child? Second of all, consider the family dynamics. Think about your daughter or your son. Are they buying a home with someone else? Are they buying a home with a spouse? Are they buying a home by themselves and eventually going to get married? These are some of the family dynamics that you, if I may say, you need to think about and really consider the situations. And there can be other family dynamics that are also affecting the situation too as well. So again, take time to think about it really carefully. Home ownership can be very, very expensive and it's a big financial decision. So it's important that you sit down and you draw out a map and in terms of an action plan. So what's very, very important for you and your family. And also consider your child's living arrangements. If they are married, there is the family law and the property law act that you have to be familiar with to make sure that if you are giving a loan, that you understand that you're protected too as well as your child and their spouse too as well, just in case there is any issues in the future due to a breakup or divorce that you are able to get that money back. IOUs really don't help much in today's court system, so it's very, very important that you get the legal advice possible. Talk to a broker like myself so we can educate you and set you up with the right individuals to protect you and your child, and also make sure that you can afford it, they can afford their purchase, and everybody is happy and it's a win-win situation for everybody. This is a sensitive topic and it's a very important topic because more and more parents and grandparents are assisting their children and grandchildren financially in terms of a larger down payment or in terms of refinancing and having them help assist in terms of qualifying and being on the mortgage as a guarantor or a co-applicant. So there's so many other ways that you can help your child too as well. Again, you want to think about those family dynamics. You want to make sure that you understand the Family and Property Law Act. You want to make sure that you know what you're getting into and you're not putting yourself in more debt or impeding more stress in your financial life if you are facing any financial hardship. If you have ample room to do this, it could be a very, very good thing for you, again, if you and your children or your child have an understanding professionally, honestly, and both are protected and there's no surprises. So we're always here for you if you ever need to answers to those difficult questions, if I may say. So again, once again, thank you for joining us. You can always call me at 1-866-553-7467, 1-866-553-7467. Until next time, see you soon.